Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with the Ley Sisters. Hope you enjoyed last recipe video of the delicious fiesta quinoa. If you haven't watched it, we highly recommend that you do. We're including a link to that video in the description below. Before we get into today's video, we would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you are notified when we upload a new video every week. Today's recipe video features an ingredient that we personally love and always have in our pantry. We are talking about canned tuna. We will be making tuna tostadas. This dish is quick and easy, and the best part is that it can be prepared in advance. Let's go over the ingredients that you will need to make this dish. You need 2 cans of tuna drained, 1 small onion, 5 roma tomato diced, 1 jalapeno pepper, 1 small can of tomato sauce, and tostadas. Let's cook! First, we will add some avocado oil to the skillet. And add the onion once the oil is hot. We will cook the onions until they become translucent. We will now add the jalapenos, and we're gonna let the flavors of the onion and the jalapeno mix. Notice that the seeds are out, so the dish won't be too spicy. If you prefer this dish to be spicier, feel free to leave the seeds in or add another jalapeno pepper. Now we're gonna add the tomatoes and mix. Since the tomato has a lot of water content, this dish won't be dry and the hot skillet won't be browning the vegetables. We just want the vegetables to soften and for them to release its natural juices. Now we're adding the tomato sauce. The tomato sauce will enhance the flavor of all these vegetables. Next, we're adding the tuna. We recommend that you use tuna in water to keep the dish lighter. Now we're gonna be adding adobo seasoning. If you don't have adobo seasoning, you can make your own by mixing salt, black pepper, oregano, and garlic powder. Now we're gonna let the dish cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the liquid is reduced. We don't want our tostadas to break as we're eating them. Now we've shown you how to make the tuna filling for the tostadas. Now, to assemble the dish, you will grab a tostada and scoop a generous amount of the filling onto the tostada. Now we've shown you how to make tuna tostadas at home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. We would like to remind you to follow us on Instagram. If you would like us to recreate one of the meals featured on our Instagram feed, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Bye.